tayo sa talking stage. Isang tanong, isang sagot. Are you ready? What is love?
Baby, don't hurt me.
Lyrics
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me.
Ay,
Lyrics
nagpakita
yan.
na naman ng talent.
Oh, may
Pero yung
sagot agad.
totoo.
For me, siguro love is not just a feeling. It's a commitment. It's a promise, di ba, na kahit anong mangyari, nandun ka para sa taong mahal mo, di ba, na kung kayo magkaaway, hindi kayo yung magkaaway. Meron kayong tinatakal na issue, kasi you're together, you are a team, maski pamilya yan, jowa, tao. So,
May pagturo. May pagturo.
it's a promise, it's a partnership.
Ayun. It's us against the problem. Ganun ang
Yes,
ano.
it's us against the problem.
Ganun ang atake. I love that. Thank you so much for your wonderful answer,
And I thank
Ryle.
you.
At ngayon, candidate number 2.
Copy
Are you
paste.
ready?
Actually, sinabi na ni Ryan lahat eh. It's very a commitment and dapat love, it's teamwork, you know. You feel that you're not alone in certain challenges, in the good and the bad times.
Kaya swerte yung mga basketball team, ang dami nila.
Huwag naman yun.
Malupit.
Grabe yung basketball team.
Bakbakan pala. So yes,
Starting 5.
yeah, yun ang what the
I
meaning
love
of
that.
love.
Teamwork talaga.
Yes, yes.
Okay, Michael.
I think love is something unconditional. You don't expect something in return when you go love. Kasi when you expect something, when you're giving something to someone, you're expecting in return, that's not love. That's transaction or something.
Oo.
Parang-
Parang yung
Parang sa ATM lang.
Parang,
transaction. Pero yung iba kasi parang reciprocation,
parang
di ba yung gusto
expect nila
nila?
na ibalik yung love. Parang hindi ganun
Yes.
yung love eh. Love is something na you give out talaga.
Yes, I love that.
May
Parang,
dadagdag ako, it's compromise also.
Oh, that's true.
That's a
Yes.
very important
totoo.
word.
Kasi it's not gonna work out if you don't compromise.
Buti na lang nagtatakbo kayo.
Ewan ko sa'yo, Ryle. Huwag mo akong isali dyan. Kayo yung guest
Kasi
for today.
yung workout.
Ganun pala. Ganun type of workout.
Community.
Pero totoo nga, to add to that, it's all about intention also with love,
correct.
di ba? You don't expect anything in return, but it all comes from within as well.
Yes,
And I thank you! Okay, ngayon magbasa muna tayo ng comments about love. Meron ba? Ayan, sabi ni Camela, love is acceptance. Correct.
Camela Holmes.
Ang daming entry, ah. Ang daming entry. Ayan. Sabi ni Camela, kulit mo, Ryle. O anong comment mo doon kay Camela?
Thank you, God-given.
Okay, ayan. Meron pa tayong next question. Punta naman tayo sa what is your love language? Go.
I love to speak in English.
Sometimes Tagalog, sometimes Taglish.
Wow.
Sometimes
Ryle, are you here? Parang yung brain cells ko nag-give up kay Ryle. Ryle, face the wall. Charot. Hindi, pero yung totoo. Gagawin niya talaga. Joke lang.
Hindi,
Pero sa'yo.
love language, a little bit of everything. Kung magbigay ako, a little bit of everything. Acts of service, physical touch.
Ay, paano yung tingin?
Physical touch.
Pa-close up daw po.
Ano pa ba? Basta everything, gifts also. Mahilig ako magregalo. Kapag wala akong jowa, hindi shopping lang ako. Pero yung family ko also, di ba? If I see something that reminds me of them, or I feel na they're working too hard, they don't spoil themselves, they don't reward themselves. Paminsan ako na yung si daddy, masyado tayong sinuspoil, pero siya wala. O, let's,
You really try to
pitch in.
reciprocate.
Yeah, we try
Oo.
to reciprocate talaga as much as possible with everybody para they all feel involved.
Oo. You really make them feel loved.
Yes.
I love that. Okay. Okay, go. Mark.
Ako naman, as I mentioned kanina, act of service talaga. So now I'm trying to improve my communication. Kasi dati hindi ako masyado vocal, hindi ako masyado vocal. Now I'm learning and practicing to tell my emotions.
Paano yung practice?
I mean,
May warm
minsan
up ba?
nakakalimutan ko. Nakakalimutan ko.
Mimi mamo, mimi mamo. Kasi vocal na siya.
Daily routine na siya. Yeah, so nire-remind ko din sarili ko na dapat maging vocal, you know. You feel
Ikaw naman
other
parang
people's
you're very
better than-
aware.
Yes.
Parang it's awareness for you. And of course, we also try to adjust depende sa love language ng mga minamahal natin sa kanilang
Correct.
receiving end. Love
Yeah.
that.
Pero that's nice. Alam mo bakit? Kasi as men, meron tayong difficulty getting across kung ano yung nararamdaman namin.
Express it.
We're not as expressive as girls. So, maganda yung ginagawa na as much as possible, try mo i-relay yung side mo in a diplomatic manner. Na
That's true.
Hindi ka nangaaway, you're just explaining your side. Very careful. Ay, sorry, it's your turn.
Tsaka you try to understand yourself as well, di ba?
Yes,
Ganda,
it
ganda.
changes. Kasi mostly men are practical you know.
Tsaka mas na-appreciate yun ng mga
Partners.
na partners mo, na
Yes.
family mo, kung sino man mahal mo, na hindi na naghuhulaan.
Yes. Tsaka they feel the adjustment also. And the adjustment is also effort.
Correct.
Correct. Okay, go
Ako
ahead,
naman
Mike.
is time. Undivided time also. Kasi sometimes date kayo, tapos nandaka-cellphone lang or anything. Hirap, di ba?
Relate ako.
Parang nag-text lang. Hindi yung date. Parang undivided time. Just enjoy nyo talaga yung moment. And then second is touch also. Kasi,
Ayan.
kasi na-realize ko pala when I was a kid.
Yung ba yun?
Na-realize ko pala when I was a kid, hindi talaga ako like nag-given ng hugs, gano'n. Kasi parang as
Tough
a
love.
lumaki ako, doon ko na instead of saying I love you or anything, hinhug ko na lang, I give them the people that I love also. So that's touch talaga in time. Yung
It's so nice na ngayong medyo older na tayo, we also get to realize kung ano yung nabigay na sort of love sa atin and which departments we have to adjust on, di ba?